I want to speak today, but my heart is beating very fast and loud right now. Sienna, I stayed silent again today because I am truly afraid of making a big mistake.
We can practice right here. Please just say one very short sentence to me now, Elara.
I think this idea is good. You said that perfectly because you sounded very sure of yourself just a moment ago. I will try to speak tomorrow. I feel much better because we practiced together tonight. The room feels different today because I have my one short sentence ready in my mind. Everyone is listening to the boss now, so the room is very quiet and very serious. My heart is beating fast because I know it is almost my turn to say something. I want to raise my hand, but my arm feels very heavy and very cold right now. I can hear Sienna's voice in my mind because she told me that I am very brave.
The manager is finishing his sentence now, so I must speak before the moment is gone forever.
I think this idea is good. I really think this new idea is very good for us.
Everyone is nodding their heads because they actually liked what I said to them just now.
I said my sentence clearly because I practiced hard, and I did not give up today. I am leaving work now, and I feel very proud of myself for speaking up at last. I can see the big smile on your face, so I know that you were very brave. It was only one short sentence, but it changed how I feel about myself and my work. I am very happy that I visited you last night because your help changed everything for me. You did the hard work yourself because you chose to be brave when the room was quiet. Small steps are easier to take when you have someone who believes in you so much. Tomorrow will be a better day because I know that you can face your fears now. Thank you for listening to me, Sienna. Having a sister like you makes me feel lucky. I am happy today, but I am worried that I will be too afraid again tomorrow morning. You feel this way because you are human, but you already proved that you are very brave.
I will write the word try in my book so I can see it during the meeting.
One word is enough because it reminds you that you do not have to be perfect tonight. I am ready to try again because I know that making a mistake is not the end. Sometimes I remember all the times I stayed silent and I feel very sad about it now. The past is gone, Elara. You must focus on the brave person you are becoming right now. I am imagining the office table, and I am seeing myself speaking without any fear at all.
What if they ask me a question that I do not know how to answer correctly?
Then you just say that you will check and tell them later. That is perfectly okay too. I never thought about that before because I always felt that I had to be perfect today.
It is just a conversation between people, and you have very good things to say now.
Even with your help, the fear still feels like a very heavy stone inside my chest tonight. That stone will get smaller every time you choose to speak your truth to the world, Elara. I will believe in myself tonight because you believe in me so much, my dear sister Sienna. I am repeating my words now because I want my voice to feel strong and very natural. What if my English level is not high enough for everyone in that big office room today?
Your ideas are more important than your grammar, so please do not worry about your small mistakes.
You always know how to make me laugh, even when I am feeling very scared inside myself.
I will go to bed now because I need to be fresh for my big meeting tomorrow. I am looking at myself because I want to see a brave woman who can speak clearly. You are not alone because I will be waiting right here to hear your great news tomorrow.
The day is finally over, and I am letting go of every small doubt in my mind.
It is a brand new morning, and I feel like a completely different person today. I am walking toward my goal because I know that my voice has real value for everyone. The room feels very quiet right now, but I am ready to fill it with my voice. I am taking my place at the table because I have earned the right to be heard. I am greeting my coworkers with a smile because I feel very comfortable in this space today.
My hands are very steady now because I know exactly what I am going to say next.
I am remembering my practice with Sienna, and it is giving me all the strength I need. I have prepared my words, and I am waiting for the perfect time to speak them now.
I am listening to others because I want to connect my ideas to what they are saying.
My focus is very strong because I am no longer afraid of what people might think now. The moment is here, and I am choosing to take this chance with a brave heart.
I believe that we can improve our results by focusing on these 3 simple steps today.
He is nodding his head because he thinks that my idea is very good for us.
I finally spoke my truth, and the world did not fall apart.
I feel so much lighter now because the heavy stone of fear is finally gone away.
Sienna, I did it! I actually spoke, and everyone listened to me with great respect today.
I knew you could do it. I am so proud of the brave woman you are.
I am going back home now, and I feel like the sun is shining much brighter today.
I am home at last, and I can wait to tell Sienna every detail of my success.
You did it, Elara! Your voice was heard, and now you know that you are truly powerful.
I will never be afraid to speak my mind again because I have found my own strength.
Everything is quiet now, but my heart is full of joy because I finally faced my fear.
The light inside me is stronger than any fear, and I will carry it with me always.
You have given me a great gift today because I saw you become your true self, Elara.
Tomorrow, just say one short sentence. Courage is a habit that we can build every single day.